how to find saved posts on Reddit. So let's get started. I would like to save this post. So click on the straight dots, click save. And now where to find it? I'm going to show you. Click on your profile picture, then view your profile. And under your name, you will see overview, posts, comments, and saved. If you click on saved, here we go. Here is your post. If you want to remove it, click on these three dots and simply remove from saved. Just simply refresh the page and that's it. I'm going to show you how to do it on your mobile device. Click on your profile picture. Don't click on your profile because if you scroll down, you will see saved. Click on it and here you can find your saved post. Thank you for watching. If you find it helpful, please leave a comment or hit the like button and see you later. Have a nice day.